Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna go on and factory reset this guy. So, this router, for my own case, I've been away for a while. I had it turned off for some reason. The password just won't work anymore. I can't connect to it. So on the back, I'm just gonna show you. You will see these two guys. So one's for resetting. That's this one. It's kind of hard to show you because this is in the way, but it's right here. It's just a button. So if you can't get to the button that easily, this one sticks out a little bit. This one, no. Then just use something such as a really small screwdriver like this one. And then just go on and press on it. So you're gonna click on it and just hold on there. And just hold on to it for about 5 seconds. Then let go. Once you've done that, you're gonna notice these lights should turn off at some point. Then they turn back on. And if you go into your device, whether that's a tablet or your computer, you shouldn't see the Wi-Fi network anymore. You should see the other one. So yeah, I'll just show you that in just a second. So if you go to your phone, tablet, computer, whatever, go into your Wi-Fi, you're gonna see ASUS. That's what you're gonna see. So once again, ASUS should be there. Your other Wi-Fi network shouldn't exist anymore. So whatever you guys had before, it shouldn't be here. Unless you left it at the same name, then okay. But other than that, it shouldn't be connected at this point in time because you're gonna have to connect manually. So just go on and connect to it. And then just go throughout the whole setup again, just like you did the very first time. So that said, now that's connected, we're gonna go into our ASUS app. Once you're in your ASUS app, just make sure to log in. That's the very first thing you should do. A lot of people forget to do that, and that's why things happen. So just log into it. I log in using my Google account. You guys can use whatever you guys like. Then only then set up a new network, okay? So going to setup, and then you're gonna have to choose which one it is. Again, we're only doing this because we actually did a factory reset right now, so we have to set it up all over again. So in this case, the option would be the second one. So we're gonna go into this, and then from here, again, you're gonna have to choose what makes sense to you. Again, in our case, it's this one up here. So once you choose the right one, it's just gonna search for that router. So once again, we're just gonna throw out the whole setup. Right now, this is the one that we have. So we're gonna go into get started. And then from there, just create your network. So you're going to put the network name that you guys want, plus the password that you want. So you're creating one right now. So in my case, this is going to be my network. It's actually the same network I had before. I like to keep things consistent. You guys can separate, by the way, the 5G and 2.4. I keep it the same. Okay? I don't separate those two, but you can if you want to. Then go into next. From here, you're going to set up your logging account. So username, password, confirm password. You're creating these. And if you remember your last one, go ahead and put the last one you guys had. It's fine. So once you do that and you go to next, just gonna set up your network and you're basically almost gonna be done. You might get something like so saying new firmware, go ahead and update. Trust me, do the update. Never skip out on any updates that come your way. So during the process, you might disconnect. So you will have to connect up to the new Wi-Fi you created. So here it is. I just went to my Wi-Fi on my iPad and then just hooked that one up again. Now I'm going back to the app. And now that you went back to the app, you're gonna see this. Once you join your network, taking this MBR, just join up. And here we go. You're gonna optimize. Then you should see a message like so, saying that your setup's complete, and just tap on finish. Once you tap on finish, you're pretty much all done, but you guys can mess around with a few things. You're gonna get a message like so, for example. Then you're gonna get a message about account binding. I highly suggest doing so, but that's really your choice. The reason why I suggest you guys doing so is because this way you won't forget ever again your passwords or anything like that. But right now, at this point, we're pretty much all done. Now, if you got a router like this, one of the very first things you guys should do is go here, then optimize for whatever you guys like. So for gaming, media, or anything else. Most likely you're gonna select gaming, but again, it's up to you. So you don't need to do anything right now. You're basically all done, and that would be it for today's video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.